I'm dipping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254. Tune in for another one. Got that impact thing ready. Gonna go take care of some business this morning. See what we got there. It's lug nuts. You know what I'm saying? Those lug nuts go to the wheels that we getting ready to sell off this morning. Look at the truck, man. Shining, gleaming. Need some tire wet or something for them. They clean though. Much better than they was. Got a commander installed in there, looking good, looking great. So let me get this stuff loaded up, man, and then cut you back on. Alright, so there we go. We on the way. Like I said, got that thing in Sport Plus 2. Had a commander on deck. Yeah, man, what we doing? We getting ready to head out to boy, that hell realm. Well, nah, man. Like I said, we get ready to go get these wheels out, man, and might have a little bit of a surprise for you. You know what I'm saying? Well, I guess I can go ahead and tell you the real specifics of it, man. Basically, what I'm gonna do, man, it was like a trade. I'm trading some cash. Buddy of mine, you know what I'm saying? He into the cars and stuff too. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take you over there, we're gonna show you what he's working with. And we got a treat for you. You know what I'm saying? For you G-Body guys. Well, if you wanna be a G-Body guy, you know what I'm saying? Got something to show y'all this morning. So hopefully we can get this all done, shot up, and done before I gotta go to work or whatever. So yeah, cut you back on when we get there. Alright, so we done made it to our destination, man. As you can see here, old wheels is offloaded. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you this thing here. Yes, sir. Top money. Top money. Yeah, I checked it out. Top money. I mean, I guess you can guess what I'm here for. I'm here for the swingers. Goddamn right. I'm here for the swingers. He's selling a car. Good front clip on it, man. Good front fenders. You know what I'm saying? The wheels do not come with the car. Your boy finna take them. But yeah, I mean, it's a project, man. It's a project. But yeah, I definitely thought it was something that was cool beans, man. If I had room for another car, like I might would have just grabbed it. Yeah, I'm letting them know it's for sale.
Yeah, it's for sale. It sure is for sale.
It's gonna be a roller though.
Good old roller money Carlo.
With these wheels, not those. Those are mine.
Get the wheels on right now. Bring them down.
But yeah, good front clip. Good fenders, man. Like I said, if I had more room, you know what I'm saying? And my wife pulled up yesterday. Was like, "Why are you?" I was washing the truck. She's like, "Why are you in my parking spot?" I was like,
Yeah, we getting them up off here
I was
today.
cleaning.
Good old PB Blaster.
She was like, you done used all your parking spots. Give me something like this where I got plenty of room. I can park plenty cars. It'd be bad though. If I had this much room and space, I'd just be accumulating stuff. Alright, so this is what we're working with, man. Working our way around the car. See, now they actually don't look bad on the Monte Carlo. It wasn't working for the Cutlass. So working our way around. I get the swings off, man. Car was sitting for a while, so.
That's one thing about those swingers too. You gonna catch one of them.
Yeah.
See, sometimes they cross through and putting them on. So
You gotta be careful putting them on.
Put them on with them impact. When they get the tires, you really supposed to put these on by hand.
Yeah.
Swingers supposed to be put on by hand. No impact. No impact. You got to put them all the way. It's supposed to be done like that.
Ain't no telling.
Yeah.
Put them, when they put them on.
If you run them on with an impact, you're in trouble.
Oh, okay.
Make them shanks. I got them up front. I'll give them to you once we do.
Yeah, man.
Hold up. Hold up. Make sure you don't forget them. Hit me a couple times. Hit me a couple times. Hit me a couple more. Hit me a couple more. That's good. Oh. Bingo. Just like that. Just like that. Got them going on. Clean them up.
It ain't gonna take much. That drop top.
Yeah, maybe the summertime, bro.
So that's how she sit. So she a roller. For serious inquiries only, don't waste my time. Hit my Instagram at LSCR254. We'll get you in the door.
Yep, and this is a good car. Good old roller. Somebody want it. You know, hit my boy up.
Go B&M shifter. You know what I'm saying? That's the man behind it all. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a screener. I'm screening y'all, so y'all don't waste his time. So,
Good G-body for part.
yeah.
Front clip, old front clip. G-body for part. Old front clip on.
So that clip alone,
Old clip on.
worth something. Fenders in good condition. Yes, sir. Yeah, see, these wheels do something for this Monte Carlo. It didn't do it for the Cutlass.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It'll work. It works for the Monte just like this. Maybe because the top is missing. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so we got everything loaded up, man. Finna go ahead and head. Well, I'm headed back to the house. I'm almost there. I'm turn this air down. That might not be there. Yeah, so got everything loaded up and everything. Definitely going to get these downloaded. I might just leave them in the truck, man. I need to go shower and shit, get ready for work. Probably within 24 to 48 hours of this video going up, the car will be for sale, or it is for sale. If not, what we have decided to do, you know what I'm saying, is we just gonna raffle the car off. It's a Monte Carlo, got a lot of good parts. You can use it for a park car, or, you know what I'm saying, if you want to use it just for like some summertime thing, they chop the top and everything on it. So a little something different, man. A little something different. So it's all up to you and how you perceive it, or how you choose to, you know what I'm saying, go forward with the fucking product. You know what I'm saying? Bro, why would you leave your fucking doors open when you park in the middle of the fucking street, you piece of shit? Sorry about that. I do have little moments. But dude, why the fuck would you do that? Like, it's fucking dumb. If I would have knocked your motherfucking door off, and I've been in the wrong, right? Nah, you was wrong because you left your damn door open. So, yeah. Within 24 to 48 hours, if we don't have no solid buyer, man, we just gonna raffle the car off under the channel. We'll call it LSCR254 Monte Carlo raffle away or something. I don't know. We'll give it some name, and we'll do set a time, do it for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, let y'all rotate and, you know, circulate the video, and then go from there. That's if we don't get a buyer. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Future videos to see if it sold, if it didn't sell, and if we're gonna do a raffle or not, something like that. So let's get this stuff unloaded, man, and yes. Alright, so back at the whip, back at the house, man. Swingers on deck. You know what I'm saying? They gotta be clean. Of course, I mean, they gotta be cleaned up. I mean, they ain't just going just straight on the car, but we got them, and that's half the battle. That is half the battle, man. Look at them looking like a bag of money. You know what I'm saying? Like a bag of money. That's just, like I said, I just gotta get them cleaned up a little bit. But ain't no clagging or none of that. No clagging, no slagging, none of that, man. So let me get these offloaded and then I'll put you back on. These tires, like, actually not bad. They just been sitting. Ain't nothing to clean them. Won't hurt. Like, the white is still white, the yellow just faded because they just been sitting. They actual Vos, so we can fix that. These are definitely a lot lighter than them. But hold on, there go a bulge in that tire. So that one won't work. Kind of gently sitting them right there. You gotta get one more out the back. Bro, is this what I think it is? I don't know what the hell this is, bro. Either way, we just gonna twist them down, man. Just gotta get them in the house if I gotta go to work. These are definitely a lot lighter than them down 22-inch swings. Definitely a lot. Lean that. And I'm gonna move them probably rather quickly or whatnot, but yeah. Swingers on swingers. We got 15s, 15-inch swingers. We got 22-inch swingers. Which one you need? Which one you want to see? Big boy 22-inch swings. Or we gonna do these 15-inch swings. Actually, let me just roll. Let me roll one right here just for giggles. Did I pick the fucking bubble timer? Anyway, this shit won't let me be great, bro. Hold on. Alright, so that's like the best I can get. Cause it don't want to cooperate. It stand up straight. So 15-inch swings, which I think could do justice as well. 15-inch swings. Or big boy swings over here. Big boy in swings. I don't know, man. I feel that we're gonna go. I don't know, man. If you watch this video to the end, put hashtag what size swinger you want to see. Put hashtag 22 swing, or put hashtag 15-inch swing. Leave it down in the comments. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. 2020, we on your neck, bitch.